What is up? It's your boy Aing here bringing you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we got a banger. Most of the time I go camping, it's a 2-day stay, 2 days, 1 night. And a lot of the time, either my phone dies or my battery will go low or the fan that I'm using to keep me cool in the tent will die. And a company that watches and supports the channel actually sent out a product that hopefully should fix all of these issues. And if you guys are interested in these cool, affordable little tips and tricks that I have to offer, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. This product will also be linked down below in the description with the discount code. You already know I got the hookup for you. Check it out. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. That was a fail. Bada boom, bada bing. Now, forgive the packaging. I kind of put it in my truck and smashed it, but I hope that doesn't affect the actual performance of this thing. But nonetheless, it's a power inverter. Now, for my first camping trip, I let you guys know I'm running out of power really fast. You guys offered a lot of things that were not very budget friendly, starting at like $200, $300 options. So you have options. You can purchase a $300 battery or pick up this power inverter for a fraction of the price. Got your adapter, and then you have everything that you can plug into it. So I really like that this has a lot of options. You know, you got your regular ports, but you also got 2 USB ports, another USB port, and I believe this is a USB type C. A little button here to turn it on, off. So right here it tells you the wattage. It goes 40, 80, 120, 160, 200. The Tacoma, I believe, only goes up to 120, so we're about to find out how this works. That's one of the first things they say: do not exceed the amount of wattage because you will blow it. So for what I'm going to be using it for, it'll be more than fine. But now let's get this bad boy inside the truck, and let's just give you guys 2 examples of what I'd probably most likely be using this for. And just like that, there's light. So we're going to turn this bad boy on and see what happens. And for this first demonstration, we shall be using my cell phone. Cell phone plugged in, then you plug in the charger. Now it shows you it's pulling around 40 watts of power. And as you guys can see, my phone is now charging. I also have a Canon battery charger, but look, this is how smart I am. I brought my battery charger for the only battery that goes inside the camera. So in order for me to get the battery, I have to take it out of the camera, but then I can't record my battery charging. So in a pinch, this will definitely be a lot better than your regular USB ports, because as you guys know, what comes into Toyotas are not the best. Like, you will plug in your phone, let it charge. At least me, a 2-hour, 3-hour road trip, my phone will get up to maybe 20, 30, 40%. Having a lot more voltage and being able to charge a lot faster, it's going to be a lot better. Another thing, my truck doesn't have these outlets. As you guys know, I got the poor man SR5. So if your truck doesn't have outlets, this is a very big plus for anything small that won't exceed whatever your truck or car can output. So I'm actually super excited, super stoked to get on the road and actually use this bad boy, as I got a trip coming up this weekend. Literally this weekend I got a trip, and I have to get everything powered up, charged up. Again, if you guys are interested, this will be linked down below in the description. Shout out to Shockflow. Look, watch this. I'm not going to change the frame. Bada boom, bada bing. Just in case you guys don't think I'm actually using this, I am. Shockflow, an absolute beast of a company. I appreciate it. They are very supportive, and I do appreciate you guys for that. Yeah, check them out. They got a lot of really cool products if you guys haven't seen my other videos. But that is going to conclude today's video. So I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, a like, a comment, and a subscription. Again, guys, we are growing super fast. Road to 1 million. We're getting there like tomorrow, maybe. Possibly. And it really does help out when you guys like, comment, share. Sharing is like the biggest way to show that you care. Anyways, it's been your boy. I'm out of like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.